எல்லார் வீட்லயும் அங்க வைக்க வேணாம்னு சொல்லி
வீட்டில் இருக்குது சார், டாய்லெட்
இருக்கா?
All the two people were residing here, no? Only why we have added one? Just until they do the initial surveillance. Tests come back, if there is no symptoms, we can push it back.
So yesterday in Nervi area, in this Vallur street, two people had tested positive for COVID-19. There are two males, one 30 years of age and another 56 years of age. Both of them had come from Chennai. So after getting these test reports, the district administration has set up a containment zone in the street whereby only essential activities are permitted. Distribution of essential items including groceries, milk, etc. will be carried out through the self-help groups. The necessary contact numbers and the pamphlets have been distributed to all the households inside the containment area. I request all the people inside the containment area as well as people living in the surrounding areas to cooperate with the district administration and to abide by the protocols of the containment zone. The police has manned both the sides of the streets through barricades, and this will continue till the containment zone is lifted from this place. Active contact tracing and surveillance has already been carried out by the health authorities, and as of now all the people inside the containment area are asymptomatic, showing no symptoms at all. We'll be posting you about the further details in future. Thank you.